Hi guys, my name is Urvashi and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be about me trying some hyped products. So basically I have tried all of them and I'm just going to give my review on it one by one. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Let's start with skincare first. So for skincare I have this Laneige water sleeping mask in this blue color. So they have a lot of variants and I tried this because I got it in PR and I have tried it a lot actually, and I am going to say it that this is definitely worth all the hype because it makes my skin moisturize, and it doesn't make my skin very oily or sticky or anything of that sort. So it's such a good moisturizer. If you're thinking of getting this, please don't think twice. You should definitely get this. This has gel consistency, but at the same time it moisturizes your skin so good. Like even in winters you can use this and it will definitely keep your skin moisturized throughout the day and throughout the night. Next skincare product has to be a sunscreen because I don't think ऐसा एक भी स्किन केयर वीडियो है जिसमें सनस्क्रीन ना हो. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस गार्नियर SPF 50 सनस्क्रीन स्प्रे. नाउ इसका जो जेल सिरम सनस्क्रीन वाला वर्जन है, वेरिएंट है, दैट आई हैव लव्ड so much, and similarly I love this also because I'll tell you what exactly is so different with this sunscreen. क्योंकि a lot of people would think कि इसमें और इसमें difference क्या है. Like they have, even the packaging is same, it's just that कि ये spray version है, and you can see I have makeup on and I'll just show you what you can do with this. You can just spray it all over your face even when you are wearing some makeup, and you can see you get no white cast. It has literally zero white cast, which I love so much, and इसके particles are so minute कि वो दिखते ही नहीं है. Like the spray is also so good. I absolutely love this product. This is actually very affordable also. It's for $5.99, but I'm sure you'll get it on offer for around 400 or 450 rupees. Definitely get your hands on this. It's absolutely worth all the hype. Coming on to some lip care and lips products, I have this Diam Beauty glass tint lip balm, and this is how it looks like, and I literally hate this product. I know hate is a very big word to say, but I'll just show you what happens when you apply this. This is how it looks. Okay. Now, if you apply this on your lips, you will constantly feel like there's something on your lips. First point. Secondly, it's very sticky. Third point, it's very heavy. It's very heavy. And if you keep your hair open just like me, आपके बाल उड़ भी नहीं रहे होंगे ना, then also somehow पता नहीं कैसे they get stuck on this lip balm. I don't know how, but this is so pathetic. I don't know what to say, and it was so costly for a lip balm. It's like 800 rupees, and I know कि Laneige के lip balms वगैरह भी are a little costlier, but at least they work. I don't know what this does. मतलब मैं इसको लगा के ही नहीं रख सकती हूँ. It's so bad. I'm so sorry Diam Beauty, but like this was my first product that I tried from them. I don't know about the brand. I think they have a lot of good products. I hope I can find some good products from this brand, but this, no, it's a no from my side. Next lip product is this Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint. Now this performed so good on my lips. I'll just show you the shade. I have the shade 70, the A+. It's very reddish kind of a shade, but ठीक है, it's a tint, so I don't mind. I don't apply a lot of red lipsticks, but for tint it's okay. Like it performs very nice and it stays also for a long time. I use it only on my lips. I haven't tried this on my cheeks. So I use it below my lipstick so that अगर मेरी lipstick उतर जाती है, so I have something some tint that stays on my lips, so that's how I use it, and I think it's definitely worth the hype. I have a lot of more shades in it and I want to try those. I got this one in PR, so I tried this, but the staying power and everything that they say about this product is absolutely true. Next lip product is this L'Oreal Paris lipstick in the shade Worth It Medium. I am in love with this product. If you have seen my 2024 favorites videos, you know that this product was with me for a long time, and I know कि मुझे ये पसंद क्यों आता है, because look at that shade. How can someone not like this shade? मतलब it's all about no makeup look, and this is the perfect shade for those kinds of look. How beautiful it looks. यहाँ हाथ पे it looks so beautiful. Just imagine me wearing it on my lips. It looks wonderful. Plus ये दिखने के साथ साथ it stays for so long. It doesn't budge off very quickly, and even if I have something to drink or eat or anything of that sort, तभी भी it stays for long time. और अगर ये नहीं भी stay करता ना, इसका shade इतना प्यारा है कि I would have just used it just because I like that shade. So it's definitely worth the hype. Moving on to makeup products. The first one is from Charlotte Tilbury and it's their Flawless Filter. This is how it looks. I have the mini one, and I have heard that this performs as a primer also. I don't think it performs as a primer. I feel like ये MAC की जो strobe cream होती है ना, it performs like that. It's moisturizing and at the same time you know, it gives that glow from within kind of a thing. So I'll just show you कि ये कैसा है. I am actually in the shade Too Fair, और can you see? It's a very good product, but it's costly, and I feel like कि if I go on a search to find a dupe for this, I think I can find it, because I don't know, I don't feel like कि इसका कोई dupe नहीं होगा market में, because it's not that different, to be honest. So it's a good product, but I don't know if it's worth the hype. You know what I mean? I like it, I use it. Will I buy it again? No, I don't think so, because I do have the MAC Strobe Cream also. I don't know कि you know hype products क्यों बनते हैं, because you can't find dupes for them, या फिर they perform so good that you don't want a dupe for them. So I don't think ये product वैसा कुछ था मेरे लिए. So yeah, you can try it. It's a beautiful product, but it's a mid product for me. Coming on to another Charlotte Tilbury product. Now this product, I can't even tell you कि ये मुझे कितना पसंद है. You can see it by yourself कि मैंने इसको कितना यूज़ किया है. This is their Charlotte Tilbury Air Brush Flawless Finish Compact Powder or Finishing Powder, and this product deserves double hype. इसकी जो भी hype है ना, give it to this product, because this is such a beautiful product. I will once make a video about it. I'll just apply this on one side of my face and I'll show you guys कि ये क्या करता है. ये जो आपको यहाँ पे अभी जो भी pores दिख रहे हैं ना, this will give it a Paris filter. Have you tried a Paris filter on our Instagram stories that we get? वो try करना. वैसा finish it gives to your makeup, to your face. And not only that, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो अभी लगाया और ऐसा finish देगा and then after some time it's gone. No, it stays and it also keeps your makeup intact for a long time. So बहुत अच्छा product है ये. Please do get it. I am definitely going to buy this again when I finish this, because I know I have hit a pan, but अब मैं इसके साइड से निकाल के यूज़ कर रही हूँ क्योंकि ये Charlotte Tilbury का product है. I can't waste this. So yeah, I'm definitely going to buy this product again, and it's worth all the hype in this universe. I don't know, I don't like a lot of products. I don't like a lot of powders, but this is actually something else. Coming on to some affordable products now. Of course, there has to be a foundation, and we have this Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation, and I'm in the shade 123, which is not my perfect match. I got this in PR and थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे है, but if I get थोड़ा सा tan, this is my shade, but इससे ऊपर वाला shade होगा मेरा. So I don't know, you'll just have to go and find out your shade. But the product is very beautiful. It performs wonderful on your skin, and I think अगर आपकी oily skin है, this will suit you. If you have normal skin, this will suit you. If you have dry skin, this will suit you. So कुछ भी skin type हो, this is going to suit you. You are actually going to love this product, कोई like irrespective of your skin type. So it stays for a long time, and I think इससे ज़्यादा मैं और किसी फाउंडेशन के बारे में इतना बोल नहीं पाऊँगी, बिकॉज आई डोंट जनरली यूज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फाउंडेशंस, बट I can see myself using this foundation in future too. So it says a lot about it. The last makeup product that I have is very affordable, and it's from Inside Cosmetics, जो कि मेरे से अभी खुल नहीं रहा है. Yeah. I have this Inside Cosmetics का color corrector पूरा palette, and I got it because I have a lot of acne marks. But touch wood, my skin is doing a lot better abhi. So I have only used like 2 colors from this. I have used the green one and the brown one. I don't know why, क्योंकि मैं शायद I must have tried contouring my face, but it does work and it's actually worth the hype because it's so affordable. It was for around 170 वगैरह. Yeah, it's for 230, but I got it for 170 or 175 कुछ. If you also want a color corrector, so it has orange color corrector also for your dark circles, green corrector also for your acne marks, and बाकी भी correctors का जो भी काम होता है वो. And you have these 2 brown shades also, so you can use it for contouring or bronzing and all of that. Purple and yellow का क्या काम होता है I don't know, but कुछ तो होता है. So it's actually a very good product. I'll just show you एक बार, just a swatch. It's very creamy and you can see कि it's very hydrating also. So ऐसा नहीं है. I have tried the K Beauty का color corrector stick. It was not good. Like I tried it years back when it was launched, but it was not a good product. It was very chalky and very dry for me. I don't know if they have changed the formula abhi, but this product is definitely worth a try. We have 2 last products. Both of them are body care. So one is from Be Body Wise and it's their 4% AHA BHA underarm roll-on. I got this because my sister suggested this to me. Now I don't know what to say about this. It's a good product, but like compared to the Nivea roll-ons that I have been using for years and years, like I can remember कि मैंने वही use किया है अब तक. So compared to that, I don't think I would buy this again. I'm definitely going to restock on my Nivea only, क्योंकि I am not very big fan of this product because the main sole reason why I use a underarm roll-on is for the fragrance and the longevity of that fragrance. And Nivea wala, you can literally smell that even after 8 to 10 hours of application. So this is very mildly fragrant, so I don't think it stays for a long time on me at least. And the second thing that it does, it has AHA and BHA. So if you are looking for something that can help you with the darkness of your underarm area, then definitely give this a try, because my sister is trying this and it has worked on her very well. Like she's very happy with this product. So I generally don't use an underarm roll-on for that purpose, so I can't say on that. But the fragrance is good, but it doesn't stay longer than the Nivea one for me at least. So it's an okayish product. Coming on to our last product of this video, it's also a body care product and it's from the brand Vaseline. This is the product that I'm talking about. और I don't think कि मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ बोलने की नीड है, क्योंकि इसकी हालत से आपको दिख रहा होगा, it's almost empty. So it's a very good, you can see, it's a very very good body lotion or serum in lotion, whatever you say. It's actually non-sticky, so if you live in Mumbai or in any humid place, you will love this. Or if you have very oily skin all over your body and you don't like that heavy feeling of a body lotion, this is the one that you should buy for yourself, because इसमें एक बहुत माइल्ड सी एक फ्रेगनेंस भी है that I like, and also it's actually very moisturizing also, and it's non-sticky. So what else do you want in a moisturizer, a body lotion? So it's actually worth the hype. So that was it. These were all the products that I tried, the hype products that I tried. I do have a lot more of them, but I have just started trying them. Still make an updated video on those products as well in future. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.